Thank you to each and every one of you. I've just crossed 70,000 subscribers.
Hi there. Actually, I never had the idea of doing a vlog today. I'm at Rajankunte right now. I'd actually come to capture the late running Duronto Express. And look what I spotted. Krishnarajapuram's rebuilt WDG3A 14660. Not only that, he's along with his EMD friends. GOC WDG4 12828, and in the lead is Pune WDG4 12706. And the signal has gone proceed on the main line, and according to status it looks like Prashant is making its way. It's been almost 10 minutes since the line cleared, but there is no sign of Prashanti Express till now. That was a nice blast. Rajankunte has actually changed a lot. It used to be a beautiful, quiet little station with just 2 lines and no overhead wires. A small clip of how it used to look 5 years back. I'm actually walking to the other end of the station, and the main line has gone proceed once again. It should be Yesvantpur AC Express. Signal has turned proceed again, and it will be TNP twins with Shirdi Express. Last week there were a lot of news going around that TNP twins will not be coming from New Year, but I guess the plan to change the link to AC locomotive has been postponed further. So yeah, it will be the same Alco twins behind which I came last week from Chennai, and that was the reason why I went to Chennai all of a sudden. That was a nice catch with beautiful chugging as well. Status says Duronto still at Penukonda. I don't know what happened to the train, so I'll wait for another 30 minutes maybe. After that I'll go back to the station. I don't think this place is safe enough for me to be here when it gets dark. And that freight is also clearing the line. I'm back at the station and the status still says Penukonda, and it's almost 2 hours since it has reached there, and I don't know, NTS is also not working properly at the moment, so I'll stay in the station till maybe 6:30, and if it doesn't come by that time, I guess I'll have to miss it. It's almost 6:30 and it's been more than 1 hour since that freight train passed, and Kurla is yet to come, Baswa is yet to come, and there is no signs of Duronto as well, and the NTS is also not working, so I'm not able to check on the status of the trains. With no available light, I've decided to move out, so this will be the end of the video. Wait, this will not be the end. As I was exiting the station, signal turn proceed on the main line, which means either Basava or Kurla is making its way. And also, update from Vishnu is that there are some track work going on at Penukonda, because of which trains coming from Guntakal side are delayed. That is the reason Duronto is yet to make its way. That was Hubli's WDP4 20021 with the Baswa Express. And with that, it will be end of this video. See you soon.